The fastest way to fail with dropshipping is by having poor fulfillment. Your dropshipping supplier is going to be one of the most important decisions that you make with your business, and you need to make it right from day one. Your dropshipping supplier determines whether the product that arrives to the customer actually matches what you advertised. It determines whether or not your product is actually going to ship on time and arrive on time to your customer. And it's also going to determine whether or not a customer feels confident enough to want to purchase from you again. So in 2026, finding a winning dropshipping product is just not enough. You need a supplier with real quality control, reliable shipping times, and a system that's going to help you as you start to scale. And in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down what I believe is the best dropshipping supplier for you to be using in 2026. So if you're excited, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. It's greatly appreciated. And let's hop right into my computer. The dropshipping supplier you need to be using is called TeamDrop. Okay, TeamDrop sources products from 1688 and Tabo, so they get factory pricing. I don't think I've ever found a product that I looked on another supplier and they were able to beat TeamDrop's pricing. So go down below the video, click the link. It's going to take you right here, okay? Sign up. It's going to give you this special deal where you get this for free. There's no catch. There's no monthly plan. There's no minimum order quantities. You get a private supplier from day one, okay? So sign up right here, create your account, and I'll see you guys on the inside. All right, so once you get all logged in, you're gonna see this right here. So like I said, directly from 1688 and Tabo, so factory pricing. These are all the products that they have to offer, okay? And I've yet to find one that I couldn't source, okay? So first off, what you're gonna wanna do is make sure it's tied to your store. So what you're gonna wanna do is come over to store management and then authorize store. And then all you have to do is just click on add store, Shopify, click authorize. It'll take you through all the steps and then it'll be tied. So let's start with TeamDrop products. These are all the products that TeamDrop has to offer. They're constantly updating this. If you come down to the bottom, there's literally 83,000 items. So you can scroll through these if you want. You can also come to the categories and select a specific niche if you know what types of products you're looking for. But what I use mainly is the keywords and the image search feature, which is incredible. I love the fact that I can just upload an image and find my product in just a few seconds. So let me demonstrate that to you. So you'll take a screenshot, go ahead and open it, and then TeamDrop is going to do its thing. And then within just a few seconds, you're going to see that product start to populate. Okay, so here you go. So there's a few of them. I'm just going to click the first one. And here is the product information screen. This is going to be the screen that's going to tell you everything about your product before you go ahead and list it to your store, which you'll do right here. So if we scroll down, we'll get an overview of the product, the specifications, what actually comes inside of the package. Make sure you put this in your product page. But basically this product is just for side sleepers. It's a pillow for in between your legs. So it's gonna help with, back pain and just sleeping uncomfortably, things like that. So you're gonna get this product for around $1.75 to $2.81. This is just the product cost, and it's gonna depend on the color and size specifications. So let's just say we want blue and we want it to be the full pillow. That's gonna cost us $2.81. So now here on the bottom is really important. This is gonna be the exact shipping fee. So right now we're set on $7.81 for 6 to 12 day shipping times, which is extremely fast for drop shipping. But if we wanted to see what else is available, we can click by shipping method and we can see all of the different shipping methods. And as you go down, they will get faster, but it's going to dip into your margins. So you kind of need to find that healthy middle ground. So in this situation, for this specific product, I would stick with the normal Yun standard, okay, for $7.81 because it's 6 to 12 days. I'm not going to go to 8 to 15 days or 7 to 15 days. This is faster for the cheaper cost. So all in, this product is going to cost me $10.62 to ship to the customer. So if we click on list to store, we can fill out all of our product information here, click your vendor, which your vendor is going to be your store name, just type it in. Product type, you could put pillows. Your product title is going to be the title of your product when you import it to your Shopify store, so you can customize that right here before it even hits Shopify. You're going to have to put a collection, so you can put pillows or something like that. Now variant pricing, this is going to be really important. This is exactly what we just went over. So you're going to be setting the price for every variant. You need to do this before you import. So here's all the different variants, and then you can see the estimated profit, what's the cost again, the shipping fee, depending on the specific variant. And then you can see the total cost here. So all the total cost, you can see it's pretty similar. They're like $1 off, not a big deal. So now what you're going to do is actually customize your price. I like to put my price at least $20 over cost of goods. So I'll do something like $29.99 or even $34.99. And then you're going to want to put that for every single variant. You can also customize the names of the colors. So if you wanted to change that or the size specifications, you can do that as well. Now, if you click on images and videos, these are all the images that are going to be imported over. Okay, so you can either remove them or you can set it as the cover image. If you want this one to be the first one, you can make that be the first one that shows up on your Shopify store, whatever you want to do. And then the description. This is going to be the description that goes over into your Shopify store as well. So you can remove it or you can make changes to it, whatever you want to do. But after you're done with those 4 steps, all you have to do is just click list now and the product is on your Shopify store. So just like that, you were able to put a product on your store in just a few minutes. Okay. So definitely use the image or the search by image feature. I use it all the time. It just helps me be able to find products a lot easier. And if I can't find it with an image, then it's most likely not on here. And I need to do the next step, which is a sourcing request. So if you can't find the product you're looking for, go ahead and click on sourcing result, new sourcing request, and you're going to find your product wherever you found it at, whether that's AliExpress, that's going to be the easiest one. But if you found it somewhere else, then just use that. But let's just say you're selling magnetic eyelashes. You're going to copy the title of the product. Okay. Copy that, put it on over into the product name. Now the product link is going to be the actual URL. So copy the AliExpress URL, put that into here, upload an image so they know exactly what you're looking for. Okay. And then any remarks. So if you want to tell them something, or if you want to say, hey, I want it to be around this price, or, just any other remarks to help them be able to source this in the best possible way, put that here. And then as you can see, it says sourcing requests will be notified to you via email within 48 hours. All you have to do is just click on submit and you're good to go. So once it's ready, you'll get an email, it'll show up here, and you'll have your own private link where you'll be able to do the exact thing that I just showed you, which is see the shipping price, the product details, and everything else. So once you get orders, you're gonna have to fulfill them. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and fulfill an order. I actually just did a test order here. So what you're gonna wanna do is click on orders and then purchase order, and it's gonna bring up all your orders. So you'll see them here. If you click this box, it'll actually select them all at once. It's a lot easier. But I did a test order so that way you guys can kind of see the process. So what you're gonna wanna do is click on the specific order or all of them, okay? And you're gonna see $11.27. You're gonna see the total here with the product fee, shipping fee. You're gonna see the exact shipping method that we're gonna choose. If you wanna edit the shipping method, you could click it again and choose which one you want. And once everything looks good, you're gonna go ahead and click on pay. So once you get on this page, it's gonna show the price, okay? And it's also gonna show the total price. So $11.27 shipped to myself, okay? So you just click on submit and you're good to go. It's gonna take you to a screen where you can, use PayPal or use a credit card, and then you'll fulfill the order, and then it's good to go. Everything else is hands-free. You don't have to upload the tracking information. You don't have to send out any order confirmation. Once they upload the tracking information and it's fulfilled, the customer will receive an email automatically, which is amazing. So I made this test order to be able to show you exactly how to fulfill an order, but there's actual orders on this store that have been fulfilled already by Team Drop. So let's go ahead and check these out. So if I click on all, it's going to show some of the orders from this store. So as you can see, January 16, this is just a product that I tested. As you can see, they're all delivered, right? So let's just click on a random one so you can see how fast the shipping times are. Okay, so this customer ordered 2 of the bras. As you can see, status delivered. I generated the purchase order on January 15, 2026. That means that's when I submitted for Team Drop to actually fulfill this to the customer. And then by January 19th, they actually shipped this out. So about 3 or 4 days. And then it got to the customer 5 days later, January 24th. So from the time it shipped to the time it got to the customer, 5 days, guys. And I just want to be completely transparent with you. This store has 6 to 12 day shipping time. So they actually beat what they actually stated, which is amazing. So they also do print on demand. So if you're into print on demand, you can go to the print on demand section. They do that really well. You can customize everything right from Team Drop. So the last thing I want to show you guys, and this is something that I use a lot and why I feel that Team Drop is just more superior than other suppliers out there, is the fact that you get a rep from day one. Somebody where you can ask questions to if you have an issue with an order or anything else. So what you're going to want to do is scroll down to My Team Drop, okay? And you're going to want to go to logistics settings. Now I'm going to have to blur this out because my account rep is going to be here. Okay, so right here, you're going to see the person's name, you're going to see their WhatsApp number, and they'll probably reach out to you before you even reach out to them. So if you put your WhatsApp number when you sign up, they'll most likely reach out to you. So you're going to have somebody from day one that you can bounce questions off of. Okay, so like if you have an order where a customer put the wrong address, you can reach out to your rep and say, hey, this is the address of the specific order. Make sure you change it before you ship it out. Or maybe you have a question about a product that you want to source and you want to see if you can get them to source it for a cheaper price than a competitor. You can do that. Like you can literally ask them anything. And it's kind of nice to be able to have somebody that you can bounce off questions to without having to reach out to support. They don't understand your business. They don't understand who you are, like you have somebody that you can build a real relationship with. So that's going to do it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy and that you learned something today. That right there is the top dropshipping supplier that you need to be using in 2026. Again, if you want to check out Team Drop, it's going to be the first link in the description. Click that link. There's no catch. It's free. No minimum order quantities, no monthly plans. You add it to your store and you're ready to source products. Thank you guys again for continuing to watch the channel and continuing to support me in these videos. It's greatly appreciated. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.